Hello, my name is Warren. I'm your local chiropractor. Today we'll be talking about why there's cracking or popping sounds when you get adjusted by the chiropractor. Now, a lot of people like yourself would associate us like that, and this is sort of what it sounds like. Okay, wow, look at that. That is a great adjustment today. Okay, never fear, when you come in, that's not going to happen. So what happens with the popping sound is actually very safe. It's not like bone on bone or cartilage or anything that's scraping against each other. There's actually a bit of a gap with the joint which is filled with fluid, and the quick expansion of that and the contraction produces air bubbles, which then makes that sound. Okay, so you're not rubbing, breaking or anything like that, which is perfectly safe. Now we also use a lot of different techniques in chiropractic that doesn't involve popping. Even if you do, it's actually very safe. You don't have to be afraid of it. But we'll cover that next time, and we'll see you later. Have a cracking day. Bye.